Hey guys, I just had an amazing trading session, really quick and dynamic, and I really want you to see it. It's only the short one and very dynamic. Watch it till the end and see how I got an amazing result using the indicators and oscillators and on Quotex, the platform where I trade. Guys, my name is Oliver and let's start. So guys, I'm starting with a substantial amount today and 30 seconds of time frame. $524 I got on my balance. 520 I'm gonna use for the first option, and it's going to be a put option. So you can see there is a flat market. We could not get over that, and the price is starting to go down again. MACD is showing kind of a bearish mood. It's looking down. Both of the lines are looking down, so we're going to use that only for 30 seconds. So we're going to use that to our advantage to make a nice profit. 92% payout at this point, and here we are, $998 just in with that option. So we're going to go ahead and start with 1,000 next, or continue, shall I say. We'll continue with 1,000 option. Let's put that in there and move on to our here, for example. How about this one? So we may have reached this resistance level there, so let's just go ahead and work with this pullback maybe, or the bounce off the resistance level. So put option for 1,030 seconds. Even if it's a pullback, it will be enough time for us to, while it drops down, we're gonna be in the profit. If it reached the resistance level, and we don't care what happens next, because this is really fast moving, dynamic mode, where with 30 seconds it has to be kind of quick decision making. $1,900 from this option, so $900 from this option, really, because it's 90% payout from 1,000, and we're gonna move on with just that. We're gonna move on with that amount, 1.9. So and guys, if you want to learn, be able to get in there like that with this dynamic and make the decisions that will not be like gambling, then you gotta learn you're gonna work with these with this specific currencies first of all. So you can work with them on a daily basis, and then you'll get used to the behaviors of those exact ones, and you'll be able to see those quick decisions that I'm making. So here I'm gonna go ahead and make an vice versa decision, because we were already on the pullback here. The trend is bullish, right? We see that there's a bullish trend, uptrend, and then we see that pullback, and we enter in long on this. At this moment is a good moment, because we're supposed to going up, and then there was a pullback, and so it's a really nice situation here. And here is the profit out of this one. We made $1,900 option, and it made us 92% profit from just this one quick option. So let's jump to 3,000 here, and the next victim, the next currency. If you look, I usually have the same currencies that I work with. That's why I do have a bit of understanding of the behaviors of those, as well as obviously the necessary technical analysis skill and the indicators knowledge. So here I see an indication to go into long. Obviously the MACD is about to cross the slower line, so the price is about to start going up. Also we see that there is a the intent of the bullish trend starting to happen, and then in a global picture we may see that this is just a pullback in a global graph screen. You know, if we start analyzing that, this may just be because we're trading on a 30-second graph, you know. So this could just be a pullback. If we go back to like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, it will just be a little pullback. But here on the 30-second screen, we see that a bit more volatile. Okay, we just made the profit out of this as well, and it's 6,410. As you can see, amazing profit already. Let's jump to the next currency so here again we just made through a resistance level, so this is a really good sign to go up. You see this beautiful bullish trend starting. I mean, it started. There's been a couple of pullbacks. It's already started, but it's continuing and pretty strong. It has power. So this is the idea behind this, and it's 6,000 there, and 30 seconds. Hopefully, if we don't go into a pullback yet, I hope we don't. It looks good, but it will at some point go into this pullback. It might start now. Oh yes, we just had a profit from this, and there is the pullback started, as you can see. So these are the situation. If we had 1 minute time, we would lose all. You know, these are the things you need to be careful with, because otherwise you don't know what's happening. You don't really know what's 1 minute. Maybe you just put 6,000 on there and it's gone. It's gone just like that. So you need a cold head. It's not gambling. It's investing, and be sure to invest, you know, amounts that you can afford to lose. This is really important, guys. I'm gonna stop here because it will get too crazy with the amounts. We made a really great profit. I hope you enjoy this. See you all next time. Bye.